Tēnā tātou e te whānau. Ko Barney Thomas tuku ingoa. Ki te rohe o te Tauihu o te waka Maui, o te waipounamu. Mōrena whānau. My name is Barney Thomas. I've been tasked by the iwi chairs for Te Tauihu to coordinate and facilitate a guideline of Tangihanga within our rohe of Te Tauihu. I have asked for support from our kaumātua and other leaders within the rohe of Te Tauihu to assist and support with the production of this guideline. Some of you will know that there is a national guideline, and you would have seen that on the media. So the document that we are going to produce will be aligned to the national guideline for Tangihanga. So what will be in the document for Te Tauihu? The document will consist of advice and support for those family members who are seeking support and tautoko during their sad time. So the document will have examples of what to do when a loved one passes away and they're in hospital, what to do if a loved one passes away at home, and what to do if a loved one passes away outside the region and they want to come home to Te Tauihu, or somebody that lives in Te Tauihu but their kāinga tūturu is in another region. So whānau, watch this space. The guideline will come out within the next 24 hours. And please stay safe out there. Stay within your bubbles. Keep washing your hands. And Monday nights, 7 p.m, every Monday, we're going to have a Te Tauihu karakia for all of the iwi in Te Tauihu. So nō reira whānau, tēnā koutou, kia ora tātou katoa. I'm going to hand on to Melanie McGregor now.
Thank you, Barney. Tēnā koutou te whānau. Our tikanga for tangi has changed temporarily. The Ministry of Health have provided new guidelines, and it is important for us to follow that as much as possible. The iwi of Te Tauihu are available to provide cultural support by virtual technology, if this is what you would like. When our norm returns, we can look at how we will celebrate our kawemati. Mātua atua, hei tautoko, hei tiaki, hei manaaki a tātou katoa, he waka e ke noa.